Hi everyone, this is your video for matrices and how we can use them to organize data. So as you can see here, somebody was apparently collecting information and this information had multiple parts to it. You can see that we have different months in play, because it's up here. You can see that I'm assuming they're asking about books, right? Because is it a paper book or is it an online or digital book? Fiction, nonfiction, magazines. And you can see that each month has those same criteria: paper, online, fiction, nonfiction, magazines. So what you also see are some values. So this is a way to interpret information, right? This is telling me that in June, two books were rented that were fiction and paperback. You could also say in June, 4 books were rented that were fiction and online, okay? So you might remember this from a data collection unit in the past, but it's fairly simple to understand if you've never seen it before. Now the advanced part of this is taking this information and putting it into a matrix, okay? Once we do that, now we can do operations with them. For instance, if somebody were to ask you what would be the total number of books between June, July, and August, we were going to add up the June matrix, July matrix, and the August matrix, okay? So you can do many things once you have your information organized, and you can also, just look at these and pull information out if a specific question was asked. So let's actually do what I had just mentioned. Let's figure out what would be our total for the 3 months, okay? So you might have some sort of elaborate directions that say something, whatever, somebody's auditing the library. They always come up with fun little word problems, but we just want to know June, July, and August total. Okay, so that just means that I'm going to be adding up June, July, and August. So I have a 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 5. That's June. July is going to be 3, 2, 1, 1, 5, 3. And August is 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6. All right, so we've learned how to add matrices last week. You know that everything that's in the same element box, that's the one we're going to add together, and that's where it's going to belong in the answer. So in row 1, column 1, we have 2 plus 3 plus 1, so it's going to be 6. Row 1, column 2 is 4, and 2 is 6, and 3 is 9. Row 2, column 1, we have 3 plus 1 plus 2, so it's going to be 6. And then we have 1 plus 1 plus 3, so it's going to be 5. 4 plus 5 plus 4, 13. And 5 plus 3 plus 6, 14. Okay, so again, there's a lot of different things that you can do once you have your matrices from data. This is just one little example of showing you how to pull information and how to find a future piece of information.